Professor Owl, why is Earth getting hotter every year?
Great question, Milo. Let's discover the science behind global warming. Normally, Earth's atmosphere traps some heat from the sun.
That keeps my planet warm enough for life.
Special gases called greenhouse gases trap heat.
What gases are those?
Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Vehicles release large amounts of carbon dioxide.
So cars are adding more greenhouse gases?
Exactly! Factories also release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
Too much pollution makes my protective blanket thicker.
Trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide.
So cutting them down is bad?
Very bad for the atmosphere.
As greenhouse gases increase,
My atmosphere becomes thicker and thicker.
More heat gets trapped.
So Earth's temperature keeps rising?
That's right. This continuous increase in Earth's temperature is called
Global warming! If global warming continues unchecked,
it could harm people, plants, and animals worldwide. We can help by planting more trees.
and by reducing, reusing, and recycling.
Use less hot water. Turn off devices when not needed.
Small actions can make a big difference. Let's protect our planet together.